Alright guys, I'm in Tokyo and it's 3 a.m. and I'm thirsty, so I got this at the local grocery store. I don't know what's in it, but I'm just going by the picture in front. It's got a orange, a carrot, and a dragon fruit. So, and it says 100%, so I'm assuming it's 100% juice. And let's do a quick taste test. Alright, so it's open, and I'm going to take a quick sniff. Yep, that smells healthy. Okay, so it smells like more of a carrot. So it's like, wow, that is awesome. It has like you can taste the dragon fruit right in the middle. I don't know if you guys can get a picture of this, but see how pulpy it is? That is 100% pure juice. Like you can taste the chunks of dragon fruit in the middle or carrots. I don't know what it is, but it's good. Definitely check it out. It has a nice citrus taste. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Subscribe to the channel.